Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog for today. Ayan, welcome back to another and further vlog. So, birthday ko na naman guys. So, yeah, I'm 22 years old. Tumatanda na tayo. Tumatanda na tayo guys. So, yeah. So, ngayon, for today birthday ko ay simple celebration. So, basta kasama yung family and friends. Yeah, ito yung birthday ko na ko ngayon. So, ngayon, ayan, maghintay ako for my birthday. Yeah, so ito. So, yun guys, malapit na. Yeah, sure. Yan guys, 1 minute. Yan guys, 1 minute. Hey. Yan na guys. Yeah, sure. Dito. Then, after that, to guys, may lalak ako noong February 14. Kumanta ng Palawan family. So, this is the check. So, what's up guys? Today is February 14. So, ngayon, ayan, pupunta kami sa 18 degrees. So, last 2020, napunta na kami doon for my birthday. So, ngayon, pupunta kami ulit doon for photoshoot. So, sabahan nyo kami. So, let's go! Hey guys, punta kami sa 18 degree. Hi. Kasama namin ni Titong Jong, Tenny, and Dugang. So let's go guys. What's up guys? Sana na lang guys. What? Ito lang. Sana may katik guys. So yan guys, daan kami na mag-photoshoot. So uuwi na lang kami dahil sana all ang daming nagde-date.
Wala kaming pakialam!
Ito guys, ito ko. So ayan guys, lumipat kami ng pwesto dahil maraming tao doon. So yeah. Ito naman guys, ipapakita ko naman ngayon yung present. Ito yung present ko. Check it out. What's up guys? Dito kami sa partner. What's up guys? Kasama ko ng Christian.
Guys, may sasabihin ako.
Ha?
May sasabihin ako guys. So guys, naalala niyo na naman nung birthday ni JB Taron guys. Ay, dito na naman guys. Pati nung last year ulit guys. Dito ulit guys. Parang dito na ata yung bahay ni JB Taron guys. So yun guys, kasama ko sila Aaron. Vlogger guys. Kasi pagbigyan na natin to guys. Pogi siya ngayon guys. Okay guys. One day bukas expired na guys. Bukas guys, wala kaming pasok bukas. Ay, wala pala sila pasok bukas.
Mandatory guys.
Ay, mandatory. Okay guys, ito guys. Ay. Ito guys, mga mukha ng mga sabog guys. Palagi na. 5 o'clock gising na guys. Ada ni Aaron? Ay, mayroon kaming tanker guys mamaya. Oh, nung guys. Oo. So guys, mamaya na. Kasi o-order na si Idol JB Taron guys, manglilibre to. Ito guys. Anong gusto mo? Anong masasabi mo doon sa may-ari ng Corner Up?
Corner up. Masarap, pero maraming cake. Nakakain.
Sana libre ako ngayon.
Oo, libre ako ngayon. So guys, corner up.
Corner
Shout
Up.
out.
Shout out Corner Avenue. Eh guys, mamaya na.
Guys, ito na yung kompleto na kami na itong year. Next year ay may tabaw na kami. So, busy na kami sa buhay guys.
Ikaw Christian, anong sabaw mo?
Natapos na graduation.
Magtitinda ng fishball, juice, mga ngalakal.
So, Jess, anong trabaho ka tapos ka ng mag-aral, graduated?
Okay lang.
Trabaho.
Pupunta na yan ng abroad guys.
Trabaho. 1 year pa.
Hindi.
Tayo yung kapatid ko. Ay.
Yeah, Paul, after graduated.
Baka vacation muna bago mag-work.
Yung laki, after graduated.
Abroad after this?
Abroad na pa sa Malaysia guys.
Ito guys,
Actor, brad. Ako guys, after graduated, ay tambay lang. Tambay lang ako sa bahay.
tambay.
Tambay. Guys.
Kinablawa ka niya. Diba? Sa MH na ayun.
So yeah guys, that yung birthday celebration ko. Yeah, I hope this yan, may 2023 ay matupad yung achievement. So yan, and yung birthday ko. So that is yung love. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And see you guys in another vlog. Bye.